Welcome to Part 13 of 500 Most Common English Words for Adults, words 301 to 325. More essential daily words with clear American pronunciation and real examples. Repeat after me. You're advancing fast. Word 301. Body, pronounced body, noun for physical structure. Repeat. Body. Body. Example, body language matters. Word 302. Music, pronounced music, noun for sound art. Repeat. Music. Music. Example, listen to music. Word 303. Color, pronounced color, noun for hue. Repeat. Color. Color. Example, favorite color. Word 304. Stand, pronounced stand, verb for upright position. Repeat. Stand. Stand. Example, stand up. Word 305. Sun, pronounced sun, noun for star. Repeat. Sun. Sun. Example, sun is shining. Word 306. Question, pronounced question, noun for inquiry. Repeat. Question. Question. Example, ask a question. Word 307. Fish, pronounced fish, noun for aquatic animal. Repeat. Fish. Fish. Example, catch fish. Word 308. Area, pronounced area, noun for region. Repeat. Area. Area. Example, work area. Word 309. Mark, pronounced mark, noun for sign or verb for note. Repeat. Mark. Mark. Example, mark the date. Word 310. Dog, pronounced dog, noun for pet animal. Repeat. Dog. Dog. Example, loyal dog. Word 311. Horse, pronounced horse, noun for animal. Repeat. Horse. Horse. Example, ride horse. Word 312. Birds, pronounced birds, noun for flying animals. Repeat. Birds. Birds. Example, watch birds. Word 13. Problem, pronounced problem, noun for issue. Repeat. Problem. Problem. Example, solve problem. Word 1314. Complete, pronounced complete, adjective for finished. Repeat. Complete. Complete. Example, complete task. Word 1315. Room, pronounced room, noun for space. Repeat. Room. Room. Example, meeting room. Word 1316. New, pronounced new, past of know. Repeat. New. New. Example, I knew it. Word 1317. Since, pronounced since, preposition for from then. Repeat. Since. Since. Example, since Monday. Word 1318. Ever, pronounced ever, adverb for at any time. Repeat. Ever. Ever. Example, best ever. Word 1319. Piece, pronounced peace, noun for part. Repeat. Piece. Piece. Example, piece of advice. Word 1320. Told, pronounced told, past of tell. Repeat. Told. Told. Example, told the story. Word 1321. Usually, pronounced usually, adverb for normally. Repeat. Usually. Usually. Example, usually on time. Word 1322. Didn't, pronounced didn't, contraction for did not. Repeat. Didn't. Didn't. Example, didn't know. Word 1323. Friends, pronounced friends, noun for close people. Repeat. Friends. Friends. Example, good friends. Word 1324. Easy, pronounced easy, adjective for not difficult. Repeat. Easy. Easy. Example, easy task. Word 1325. Heard, pronounced heard, past of hear. Repeat. Heard. Heard. Example, heard the news. Fantastic! You've mastered words 301 to 325. Great progress! Subscribe for part 14 tomorrow and continue your journey.